Welcome everyone to this science tutorial video. Under the topic health, we are going to talk about nutrition part 3. This week is for grade 8 class, and my name is Tutor Andrew Sakala. For more information, just in case you have got questions, you may WhatsApp me on +26 0950 766 519, or you may follow me on YouTube. Just search Alizila Academy and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, this lesson is the part 3, meaning I have already posted part 1 and part 2, and this is part 3, so we're just remaining with part 4 to finish the grade 8 week on the topic health. Okay. Now, the content that we're going to talk about, it's nutritional deficiency diseases. You have to identify or define what are nutritional deficiency diseases. Now, these are diseases which comes about when one has got a shortage of a certain food nutrient. And examples of those diseases, we've got Kwashiorkor, Marasmus, Ricket, Anemia, and Scurvy. So we are going to talk about the signs of Koshoka, the signs of Marasmus, the signs of Ricket, and the signs of Anemia. And lastly, but not the least, is the signs of Scurvy. We are going to talk about the symptoms only, and also what type of food nutrient do they lack. These people who suffer from these types of nutritional deficiency diseases. Okay, so let's begin. Number 1, Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is caused by lack of proteins. So this picture shows an example of a child suffering from Kwashiorkor. Now, a child suffering from Koshoka has got what we call hair loss. So these are one of the symptoms, and also color changes of hair, the skin rashes, an enlarged fatty liver. The liver grows, and diarrhea also, and also is what we call the loss of teeth. This child won't have strong teeth, and appetite as well. The person doesn't have appetite. Retard growth. Now, retard growth means the slowness in growing. And you have got also loss of muscle mass. As you can see, the mass of the muscles become loosed, as in thin, in short. We have got also, it loses fat in other way. We have got also swollen stomach. The stomach is swollen ankles, feet and hands. So this part also becomes swollen, including the legs there, somewhere there. So these are the signs of Kwashiorkor. Like I have said, the person who suffers from Kwashiorkor lacks food rich in proteins. Number 2, Marasmus. Marasmus is caused by lack of carbohydrates. And we know that carbohydrate, these are the most energy food nutrients. And also the symptoms, this child here is an example of a person that suffers from marasmus. So you discover that some of the symptoms is the dry eyes. The eyes become so dry, and the loose skin folds. The skin, as you can see, the skin, it is loose skin fold. It's loose. The stomach infection also, slow heart rate and respiratory infection. The heartbeat to be slow, the heart rate to be slow, and the respiratory infections in the breathing system. Extreme hunger and lower immunity. There will be that extreme hunger and the lower immunity. Weight loss and standard growth. Standard growth is more like retard growth, meaning the baby won't be growing the way the normal baby has to grow. The baby that does not suffer from marasmus will grow well compared to the baby that suffers from marasmus. And we've got also brittle hair and diarrhea. As you can see, the hair is brittle, and also diarrhea, low blood pressure and low body temperature, impaired brain function, and intellectual disability. There's also an intellectual disability that is going to take place when the child suffers from marasmus. Number 3, we are going to talk about ricket. Now, ricket is caused by lack of vitamin D. All right, so delayed in growth. The person that suffers from ricket will be delayed in growth, soft and weak bones. As you can see, there's the bones become soft, pain in the spine, the pelvis, and the legs. So there will be some certain pains in the spine, pelvis, and legs. Then we've got also what we call muscle weakness. The person will be feeling muscle weakness. The bowed legs and knocked knees. As you can see, these are the bent. The legs are bent because they're not so much strong. Thickened wrists and ankles also, they'll be thickened. The wrist will be thickened and the ankles. Breastbone projection, the breastbone won't be like the normal ones. Some of them, they usually have the protruding breastbone. The breastbone becomes somehow big. Impaired growth or short stature, meaning the person suffering from ricket won't be that very big. The dental problem, e.g., delayed teeth and formation. Okay, the teeth will be delayed to grow properly. Number 4, anemia. Anemia is caused by lack of iron in our body, and most like people who like suffering from anemia, they are old people. So symptoms of anemia, I've got loss of energy and cold hands and feet, weakness, headache, pale or yellowish, as you can see, pale or yellowish skin, dizziness, shortness of breath, won't be breathing properly, rapid heartbeat, the heart will be pumping so fast, chest pain, feeling some certain pains in the chest, and also difficulty in concentrating, and also insomnia. All right, next. We are going to talk about scurvy. Now, scurvy is lack of vitamin C, and the person that lacks vitamin C in the diet will suffer from the disease called scurvy. Now, these are the symptoms of scurvy. There is what we call loss of appetite, bleeding gums. The gums will be bleeding. All right, so the gums will be bleeding. The the gums will be bleeding. There'll be some certain blood, droplets of blood, as you can see here on my right hand side. All right, so we have got also what we call um, extreme tiredness. There'll be that extreme tiredness and extra tiredness compared to the normal tiredness that's supposed to be felt. And you've got also gums disease and loss of teeth. Also, the gum will be infected as a result. The teeth will be destroyed or will be removed. Poor wound healing. The person that suffers from scurvy will have a poor wound healing, shortness of breath, depletion, and mood changes. All right. Number last, we come to an end of this program. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next time. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.